Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose display, scroll down again and tap on font size and style. Then go into font style and tap on one of those fonts to apply the chosen one, like Gothic Bold. As you can see, style of mine has changed, but you can always go into font style and this time click on download fonts. Then click on this little icon next to the chosen one and wait for it to download. When it's ready, click on the back button. Now, in order to apply it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!